In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to break an Excel worksheet into separate pages for printing. By the end, you'll be able to control exactly where one page ends and the next one begins, so your printouts look clean and professional without unexpected column cutoffs or orphaned rows. Start by opening your worksheet and heading to the View tab on the ribbon at the top of Excel. This is where you can change how the sheet is displayed without affecting the data itself. From here, switch to Page Break Preview. When you enter this view for the first time, Excel may show a quick message explaining what you're about to see. Go ahead and continue. Your sheet will now be divided into page-sized sections, and you'll notice lines marking the page boundaries. Think of these as your print fences. Next, adjust the dotted lines to decide what should appear on each printed page. Hover your mouse over a line until the cursor turns into a double-sided arrow, then click and drag. Dragging a vertical line to the right pulls more columns onto a page. Dragging it left reduces them. Moving a horizontal line down includes more rows. Moving it up reduces what prints on that page. As you drag, Excel shows how many pages you're creating, and the page boxes will resize to reflect your choices. This doesn't change your data, only how it's divided for printing. A few practical tips as you adjust. Keep related information together, like headers with their data and totals with the sections they summarize. If a line won't move as far as you expect, margins, orientation, or paper size might be limiting how much fits. That's normal. Just make small adjustments until each page looks balanced. If you're working with very wide sheets, it can help to prioritize which columns must always appear together, then adjust around those. When you're ready to verify your layout, press Ctrl+P to check the print preview. On a Mac, use Command+P. The preview shows exactly how each page will print, including page order. Look for cutoff headers, trailing rows, or awkward page splits. If something isn't right, press Escape to return, tweak the dotted lines again, and reopen the preview. A quick back and forth here saves paper and time later. That's all there is to it. Using Page Break Preview and a quick print check gives you precise control over your printed pages, turning a messy worksheet into a tidy, professional handout. Thanks for watching and happy printing. See you.